Hi, I'm Lars from Airhawk and Danny Gray. Today's video is going to show you how to install and adjust your 1112 and your 1114 backrest assembly for the 2-up seat on a Danny Gray product. So hang on, here we go. We're going to show you how to install the backrest on the 1112, which is the small, and the 1114, which is the larger backrest pad like this. They have an adjustment back here for up and down movement with an Allen bolt. So you can take that out, move it up or down, whatever's more comfortable for you. And here we're going to just pop this right in the hole here. Folds forward. Down inside the hole, right down in here, is a Phillips screw which adjusts the backrest forward or back. You'll lift up on this. You want it further forward, you screw down. Tighten up that back support for you. Or if you want it to move back, I'm just going to move it out a little bit. Now it lays back a little bit more. Very simple system, works really well, gives you great back support. You're going to like it.